Hi everyone, it's me Christian from the church. I hope you're having a great day. This video is going to cover our story continuing the appearances of Jesus after he was resurrected. These stories are so important because it's Jesus proving that he did really conquer the grave on Easter, that he resurrected from the dead just as the Bible said he would. And so we're going to be continuing these stories and these appearances. And this story we're going to cover comes from John 21 verses 3 through 11, and it's called Jesus and the Miraculous Catch of Fish. So Jesus' disciples, a lot of them were fishermen, and if you heard the stories of Jesus told them when he called them that he make them fishers of men, so a lot of them were fishermen. And this story takes place when Simon Peter and some of the other disciples are going fishing. And so it goes, Simon Peter said, I'm going fishing. We'll come too, they all said. So they went out in the boat, but they caught nothing all night. At dawn, Jesus was standing on the beach, but the disciples couldn't see who he was. He called out, Fellows, have you caught any fish? No, they replied. Then he said, Throw your nets on the right-hand side of the boat and you'll get some. So they did. And they couldn't haul in the net because there were so many fish in it. And then the disciple Jesus loved said to Peter, It's the Lord. Then Simon Peter heard that it was the Lord. He put on his tunic, for he had stripped from his work clothes, jumped into the water, and headed to shore. The others stayed with the boat and pulled the loaded net to the shore, for they were only about 100 yards from the shore. Then they got there. They found breakfast waiting for them, fish cooking over a charcoal fire and some bread. Bring some of the fish you've caught, Jesus said. So Peter went aboard and dragged the net to the shore. There were about 153 large fish, and yet the net didn't tear. That's our story for today. As you can see, the picture of Jesus cooking them breakfast. And it's a really cool story because you see that the disciples were fishing all night. All night. Can you imagine staying up all night fishing and not catching anything? It would probably be very disappointing. And as they see Jesus and he tells them to cast their nets to the other side, they do it and they catch more fish than they could ever imagine. So much fish that the boats were actually almost sinking. And just shows that Jesus will provide for all of us at any time and any way that he can. And so as we go into this week, it's important to realize that we are so loved by Jesus and he provides for us even when we can be very disappointed or things aren't going the way we thought they would go.